may be what you all call a hot take. I have no idea why you would feel the need to use AI to complete an English assignment. Right? Do you have a...
This class is so boring. All this guy does is yap. This is about to end.
Alright. Remember, class, before you leave, we have a test tomorrow. It's important you be here on time, because at 8 a.m., that door is locked. Ollie, before you leave, can I have a word?
Uh-oh. You said you wanted to see me?
Yes, I wanted to talk to you about these. I always print out report cards before exams to see who I'm going to see again next year, and, well, I really need you to, I guess you would say, lock in.
But...
Up, no buts. I'm sorry, but this is your last chance. Otherwise, I'm going to have no choice but to fail you. Understood?
So, anything interesting happen at school today?
Not really. I mean, we have a test tomorrow, but other than that, pretty typical. Oh, can we stop by the store to get more Cheerios? I ran out this morning.
No. I stocked up on everything today.
Oh, okay. All right, Mom, I'm going to bed.
Good night.
Oh, hey, Mom, I have to be up early in the morning for the test.
All right.
See you in the morning. Shit. No, I overslept. What time is it? Oh, no. Grr. Mom! Crap. Please, come on, open up. I slept in. I'm gonna fail if I don't take this. Please wake up. Oh, what do I do? Sorry, Mom. Mom, please, I gotta get to school. Where is everything? Huh? Ollie, I'm sorry, but I need...
Hey. Don't you remember me? We sat next to each other in Mr. White's English class?
Yeah.
Are you doing alright? You don't have to tell me, but Good to see you again.
Yeah. It's good to be seen.